Hello everyone, this is Jerry with Hot Wheels Out of Control. Looks like I got a bunch of packages I need to go through. These have come in this week. The last four on the right just came in today. I believe that all of these are RLC cars. And so I'm going to do an unboxing right now. Let's see what's inside, shall we? We're going to open them one at a time and take a peek. Probably going to start with that small one on the top, work our way down. I think that one came up from eBay. All right, let's do it. Beautiful. This is off of eBay from the Redline Club. This is the blown delivery van. The blown delivery van. Ordered this one a few days ago. It came in. That's a pretty cool vehicle. I really like that one. I've been kind of waiting for that one. Very, very cool. And there it is. The 66 Supernova. I've been trying to get all the RLC pink cars that I can. This is another one of those. RLC, the pink cars, and the 66 Supernova. That's from the second package. I think this came a few days ago. I've been kind of waiting for it. Another beautiful, beautiful car. Wow, that is a beautiful 1990 Chevy 454 SS. Wow. I ended up with a few of these. And as you can see, it's box number JCP12. So we're going to see how many of those we're going to end up with today. We're not going to open all of them, but if it's a JCP12, we're going to put it over here to the side and see what else we get today. So there it is again, the 1990 Chevy 454 Super Sport. Wow, what a beautiful ride. There it is, the Mercedes-Benz. That is a beautiful, beautiful car. Look at there. That is a beauty. So that came out of this box, the HWF 12. So we're going to put that car here. I'm not sure how many of those we got today. We're going to put those to the side right here and kind of see how many we got. I'm going to pull them around right here and let's take a look at them as we unbox them. We'll be stacking them up. I got a couple of these the other day. T-Bird. I've already looked at one of these. You guys want to see this one? I think I opened one earlier. Alright, we got it open right here. This is such a cool T-Bird. It's a reproduction of a first edition custom T-Bird. 1968. That is one cool car with one cool paint. More JCP12s. We got two more of those in this box right there, and that's this truck right here. And I should have had four of those, and it looks like we got four of those right here. So far we got some pretty cool stuff. Let's keep it going, shall we? There's a couple more HWF12s right there. HWF12s. So guess what? Those going over here in the Mercedes-Benz stack. Let me show that one a little bit earlier. We're going to stack those right there. So far we have four of those. Three of those. 1, 2, 3, 4. We got four of those. Let's keep those packages coming, shall we? Alright, there's that number again. HWF12. Guess what that is? We got some more Mercedes-Benz. Stack them right up there. Recap, we got more of those 19 one came in today. This is the custom T-Bird, the Kenny Chef, and we actually ended up with 6 of those. And of course, that beautiful, beautiful 66 Supernova, and right there, the bone delivery. Hope you guys will like and subscribe. I've got some race videos I'm probably going to make very, very soon. Hope you guys will check those out.